Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we got a quick little haul from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video. It is for a conversion for some Milwaukee tools, so please stick around and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up a couple items from eBay. Has my name on it. I don't remember the name, Miki or Maiki or something like that on eBay. The guy was really nice. He has some conversion kits. These are conversion kits for these Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff tools to turn these tools into belt sanders. It's a very quick video. Came in a really small package. The guy was pretty awesome as well. It looks like he sent instructions. In the package, dry pulley mounting adapter and a T8 Torx bit. Comes with a very, very large section of instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one is for M12 3/8 belt sander conversion. This one is for M12 1/2-inch belt conversion. Drive pulley, mounting adapter, T8 Torx bit, directions. Same, looks like 15 directions. He does provide, I've been using the 1/2-inch by 18 water resistant zirconia alumina sanding belts from McMaster Car. 80 grit gives a part number, 120 grit gives a part number. Ceramic alumina belts are also available there. 3M makes the belts to this size as well. It says Clausen MFG. Very, very nice, well put together instructions. I will take a photo of both the instructions for you guys, and I will beep blop them into the camera when the editing is done. So let's get these out. So this one is clearly the 3/8 version, and this is the 1/2-inch version. The pulleys are definitely different sizes. It's very nicely packaged with the electrical tape. A bit's also inside. Boom, right there. It's nice that he provided the bits. That's awesome. So this is what it looks like. This is going to be going on this tool for the 3/8 version. And I'm 100% positive you use everything that's on the tool already. This is the 1/2-inch version. You can definitely tell the 1/2-inch version is definitely bigger, so you cannot mix these up. I'm pretty sure that the mounting plate's probably exactly the same. Yeah, mounting plate is exactly the same. And these are for these guys. So this screw is more than likely going to sit on this mounting plate, and it's going to stop this from rotating. So you should still keep the function of being able to rotate this wherever you need. All in all, the machining is beautiful. These pieces look great. Bit came in this one as well, which is very nice. I have plenty of these, plenty of the bits, but it's always nice that, you know, he gave you some bits to use. If you didn't have any, he gives you everything you need. I will definitely scan these into the computer, and I will attach them to the video for you guys. That way, if you guys want to look at the instructions, maybe you guys have a lathe and you guys can just make these yourself. I don't know if I can provide enough information for you guys to make them yourself, but I can provide you the instructions that he provides. I will probably not be using the instructions because it's kind of pretty self-explanatory. You know, unmount everything from the tool, mount this plate on with previous screws, because if you didn't use the screws that it came with, then he would have probably provided the screws. So looks like everything's on the tool. Two very nice kits. It was 99 bucks for both of these guys, which, you know, doesn't look like a lot. You know, $100 doesn't seem like, it does seem like, kind of reverse that. $100 does seem like quite a bit for, you know, 2 T8s, 2 mounting plates, and 2 pulleys. But the thing is I didn't have to make these. I don't have a lathe. I don't have any of that any kind of equipment like that, a mill or anything like that. So it was really nice just to pay somebody to do it. They were $45.50 a piece per set, like that. And it came out to $99 plus the tax, made it $108. But they are nice close up, so you guys can see them. The machining is great. The next video I will be doing is taking these apart. I'll probably be doing one video at a time. I'll probably take one apart, install the 3/8 or the 1/2 inch, whatever one I start with, take the other one apart, start with the, you know, whichever one I end up having left. So I'll do separate videos on these. I'll either do the 1/2 inch first or the 3/8 first. I don't know. Whatever you guys see first, that's what I did first. Do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video and hanging out with me today, guys. Hope this information comes to be helpful to somebody that wants to do this conversion. So please stick around, and we'll get to the conversion soon. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also do have a link to Ulsa Tools. You guys click on that link. It does provide you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off my order at Ulsa Tools next time. So when you guys use that link, it does help me out, does help me bring more tools to the channel. As always, guys, smush the bell notification icon. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And thank you so much to Michael Clausen for these adapter kits to change these tools over to some finger sanders. Much appreciated. I will leave links to these kits down below. If you guys like these kits that I'm showing you guys, go show Michael some love. Go pick up a couple kits from him. He's an awesome dude. He was very responsive on email. He's very responsive on eBay as well. Very nice guy. So I want to give him a shout out. And if you guys do buy one of these kits from him, he does put his email down below. If you have any questions or you have any questions, you can also email him on eBay. These kits are made in Madison Lake, MN. He also does put his phone number on here. I'm not going to show you his phone number, but if you guys order from him, you'll get his phone number as well. He's an awesome guy. Appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!